Early baby lady, you could show me things, you know.
What's up, Dash Squad? We are back with another video. Unice is our review today. Y'all know I love Unice. So let's jump right into this. Unice sent us over some amazing goodies. So here is everything that they sent us over. We have our wig cap. We have our band to make sure our lace lays in place. And we also have a makeup brush and some lashes. And we definitely need our bag to store our wig. So let's jump right into this. So y'all know why I'm like super excited. It's because this came with baby hairs. Like, your girl don't never know how to do the baby hairs, but we have like real life baby hairs. Get into this lace. It's like perfect. We don't have to pluck, glue baby hairs. Everything is done for us. This is literally gonna be my everyday wig. And look how long she is. Look, get into it. I can't wait, y'all. So let's style her, put her on, and see what she's giving.
Early baby lady, you could show me things, you know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. Did I see? No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one to see my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I.
Early baby lady, you could show me things, you know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. Did I see? No, 30 degrees.
So I wine curled this hair. We're gonna see what it's giving. I didn't wine curl all of it. I think I'm gonna try to style it a little different versus doing the middle part, but we're gonna see. Let's see what it's giving once we've molded the hair down.
Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one to see my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I.
Yeah.
Think of this hair. I'm loving the length. The hair is very long. I really want to straighten this hair, but it's wavy, so I'm going to leave it wavy. The baby hairs were already there for you. The hair was basically just ready to go out the bag. I mean, out the box. Y'all, I really like the hair pulled back. It's definitely gonna be pulled back for me. Let me find me a scrunchie because these middle parts have just not been my thing lately. But I like it with it being pulled back. I just need to add some more hair in. So let me do that real quick and then I'm gonna come back and show you. Okay, so tell me what y'all think of the half up, half down. This one is definitely giving for me better than the other one. But anywho, keep watching the Dash Squad if you are a subscriber. And make sure you guys check out the description box below. Unice, whatever you want to call it. I love their hair. They always come through for you, girl. So until next time, Dash Squad.